Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to download Zoom in your laptop or in Windows. Open any browser, type Zoom, you will see this page will appear. Now click on this first link you get. There are options saying download 64, download 32 and download the ARM64. Download that particular bit which is suitable for your laptop. And how you'll find it? Just minimize this tab, click on files, click on this PC option, right click on that, you will see the option of properties, click on that. Now you will see system type minus 64-bit, so obviously I will download 64-bit. Go to same browser and here's saying download 64-bit. While I click on that, I'll just see that the Zoom extension is downloaded. Just click on that and now it's installing. You need to wait till it's installed. Okay, so after installing, you will get this page where they'll ask you to sign in. You can sign in with various options like Google, Apple, Microsoft's, and either you can have your separate Zoom account as well. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much.